How to turn on or turn off Sync Phone and FaceTime to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on iCloud. Next, in here, tap on the Seal button, and then we scroll down. Then tap on Phone and FaceTime. Tap on the toggle button to turn off sync or to switch on sync. When you turn on the toggle button, this will sync the phone data such as history, call logs for Phone and FaceTime. Now make sure that your iCloud also have enough storage space. If it is full, then it will not sync the data to iCloud. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.